when you can play ambient even on Behringer TD-3 instrument. It's a mono synth by Behringer. It's a Roland analog, like 303 Roland model. It's a homage or copy of Roland, and it can produce wonderful sound, but it's a mono synth. You can't play chords on it, but you can play wonderful ambient music, as you can see here. So don't forget to press like and subscribe to the wonderful channel Ambieton with wonderful ambient music and wonderful ambient experiments. Don't forget to press like and leave some comments here, of course. I try to make new content almost every day, and I hope you like it. Let's produce bass line. Let's add some distortion. My Korg NTS-1 Tekt helped me to add some effects to the sound. That's how I made my wonderful jams. Very crazy sound, but it's wonderful. Some high notes. We can change arp sequenciation here for up and down, for down. I really love this wonderful keyboard from Novation for this. We can add some octaves. For example, it will be 2 octaves. And we change our sound by this. Also, we can use speech wheel with this wonderful beer on it. We can turn off effects. It's without any effects, without this wonderful Korg. Let's turn on Korg again. It's massive, it's attractive, it's amazing with the effects. I love this wonderful tape delay. Let's add some exit. And enjoy this wonderful ambient workflow. Isn't this wonderful, guys? Please write in the comments. And of course, don't forget to press like, subscribe. Wonderful chill music, easy make, but very wonderful sound, maybe with exit or with ambient notes. I like this sound. I didn't know you like this sound or not. Please write in the comments, but I like this sound. I very like this workflow. Amazing. You just sit and relax on your chair and you're synth with wonderful effects. Korg play for you. It's all very amazing and it's so chilling. Bye bye, see you later. It was Ambieton channel. A little performance show for you with some short description.